G'day, welcome back. So today we are about to tackle the rust holes in the roof mainly. There'll be lots more, but unfortunately it's about 6,000 degrees here today. Sweat is... I haven't even started. So today we're bringing in the fan, and it's loud, but boy is it good. So anyway, before further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be grinding all the rust back, treating it, fiberglassing the holes, fixing up all the bits and pieces so that we got no more water coming through the roof. So that's the first thing. That's our biggest hit today. So yeah, I'll see you on the roof. Unfortunately, today's more about speed than perfection, because I have to get all of this waterproof in about 3 hours, because we're apparently in for some rain, a lot of rain, and I don't want to wait. So what I'm doing is not a perfection job. But what it will do is it will get rid of all the rust, and I'm using a rust converter paint primer, so it will allow the top to convert the rust into what the hell was that? That was the weirdest noise ever. See you mate, back in a sec.
Okay, so I'm not even sure if you can hear me because of the fan, but the camera overheated while I was, just as I mixed the resin. So I had the gloves on, I had resin already setting, and I couldn't do it. So I've already done a layer on the outside to cover the holes. And that's the goal. The goal at the moment is just to cover the holes and stop water coming in immediately. We'll do all the nice cleaning up stuff when we get to that point. So I'm going to take the headlining out and just start getting the cab cleaned up, because I've got to see what's behind there, and I have to clean the hell out of that because it's got mold and shit, and that's bad. It's very hot here today. It's 35 degrees in the shade. The sun, well, there's a reason I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. Yeah. It's better to be long sleeve than burnt to a bloody crisp. Alright, I'll get into it. Water. Needed it. What's up there?
Alrighty. Well, I'm in trouble because I'm meant to be inside resting. But I figured let's see what this shit can do. Wow. Wow, this is gross. Wondering what diseases I'm getting. Shitty angle, so it's hard to get in right in. I think it's working. However, I do have to stop. I've overdone it. All right. Put this back together. Well, $2.